821 16th Avenue, dates July 13th, 2022, making this recording from the Bob Oates cleanouts. This is an update video just to show that the line is open and flowing. There was some sewer smells coming up in the basement. I think we've identified the culprit there, but I just wanted to show that this line is open and flowing and functioning properly. Going upstream now, back into the house. Oh, I'm talking to the screen. So we're back in the cast iron portion of the house, underneath the home, underneath the foundation of the home, and back into black ABS plastic, and then further back into cast iron. End of the video.